Appreciate you hopping on here and giving us some wisdom. Yeah, so I am fresh back after a sabbatical for about a year, so I'm in rebuild mode. Oh yeah, I drank the Kool-Aid, I guess, and saw grass wasn't green on the other side. So saw my business kind of blow up. I had 2 great years with you in 22 and 23. So had to call Jen back and say, hey, I screwed up. Take me back. I'm gonna get back on it. And so we just had our second one-on-one today, so she's getting the ship right, back to the
Who's
basics.
coaching you?
Jen
Jen
Mora,
Mora, great
yeah,
coach.
she's
Great coach.
fantastic.
There,
Yeah,
I'm telling you, she's fantastic. But I will tell you this: she runs a lot of clients out of my program. She's very tough, just so you know. She does
and I
not
love it.
fart around. Jen Mora is a hammer. That little girl is a hammer. Okay.
Well, but
So
she took me from less than 50% referral based in 22 to over 80%. I was 87% referral based in 23, and I guess I drank some stupid juice and decided to leave. But anyways, I'm back now. I'm revamping everything. The question that I have for you is I've really started to create a nice relationship with the builders here in San Antonio, and I've gotten a lot of referrals. I'm able to connect them with investors, offer instant cash offers. So what would you, I know I've been taking notes, you're persistent, just hound them, but is there anything else that I can do to really just show that I'm here for them and I want to be their top solution when
well,
it comes
first of
to
all, I
people?
want to tell you it's a secondary client. What is it?
Secondary.
You're a lender, right?
No, I'm a realtor.
Okay, good. Then that could be a primary client. Okay. So what you want from the builders is you want to list their houses for 500 bucks. What do you want to do?
List for 500 bucks.
Why?
Gets my name out there.
You get all the buyers coming
Get all the
off them
buyers.
listings.
Get
And
all
you
the
make
buyers.
them pay you a full commission on the buy side, and you charge them 500 bucks to list their house. That is the greatest plan I've ever seen. Dayton Schrader was a client of mine for 25 years. He works builders, and that's his model. List for 500. He gets full commission on any of the deals he sells, gives you some inventory, would get some calls coming in. Does that make sense?
Right. Yep.
Cool. And I think that the local people are more important than the builders. So I would
Okay.
really focus on your phone, finding 40 people you really like, getting to know them. No, here's the thing. If I'm local and we're connected, can I find you 2 deals a year?
Absolutely.
I will tell you this. Michelle's local. I will bet you that I get her 10 deals a year. 10 deals I'll get her a year. So she is going to have to work her butt off to take care of all the clients I'm going to get her. So she's local. I like local realtors. I'm always trying to blow them up. But she's already got Tony as her coach, and she's listing Tony's house for $1,250,000, and he's going to buy a $900,000 house. That's pretty nice. So I think that we're a get it done group, and now you're back to getting it done. And
Yep.
listen, gosh, I know that making a lot of calls is not fun. Catering to clients is not fun. Doing big birthday programs is not fun. And there are other programs that offer simple ways of doing business. I'm just telling you, it doesn't work. If the internet worked, don't you think I'd do it?
Yes.
If you could buy leads and it worked, don't you think I would do it?
Of course.
Okay. So I'm just telling you, we're going to old school relationship this. We're going to build it up. That's how I'd go after the builders. Got it?